Wakey, wakey. Hi, how are you? Hey, what's up? It's Ninjoe of the Gaming Variety. And do I got a new series for you? Are you tired of eating the same old thing day after day for one reason or another? Well, I got this that can help. Stupid dumb gamer recipes. And you know what? You know what the recipes are for? It's food. It's food. We're gonna make food. Today's recipe is called PBJP. And that is what we like to call a throwback. You're going to need peanut butter filled pretzels, grape jelly, a rolling pin, a bowl, and a spoon. Also a Ziploc bag or just a generic sandwich bag. The first step is to put a handful or two of peanut butter filled pretzels into the sandwich bag to crush them. I ended up using my hands for this, so it turns out the rolling pin is completely optional. After the pretzel nuggets are crushed, you can then put them in the bowl. The final step is mixing in some grape jelly. All in all, this recipe isn't really that impressive. I just replaced the bread part in a PB&J with pretzels. But I mean, what would you expect from a stupid dumb gamer recipe anyways? You know, this doesn't really have anything to do with video games. It just has to do with the gamer who created it. And there's not anything bad about that. I just wanted to come up with an idea for No Non-Video November. If I ended up wasting your time, goal accomplished. Until tomorrow. Stay tuned for more.